Welcome to your Daily Health Minute. Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Regan, your Vernon Chiropractor, with your latest health news. In mental health news, more Parkinson's-related genes found. Previous research has identified 24 gene variants associated with an elevated risk for Parkinson's disease. In a new study, scientists compared the genomes of 26,000 PD patients with those of 403,000 healthy controls and found an additional 17 gene variants that may increase one's risk for developing this neurodegenerative disease. Today's health alert: smoking during pregnancy may lead to childhood obesity. University of Aberdeen researchers compared the health records of 700 sibling pairs and found that if a mother smoked during one pregnancy but not the other, then the child exposed to smoke while in utero had a greater risk of being overweight or obese by age 5. Study leader Dr. Steve Turner notes, "This study adds to the huge body of evidence that maternal smoking in pregnancy is harmful, and the harm isn't just limited to the pregnancy itself. It lasts well beyond the pregnancy." In diet news, too much or too little magnesium raises risk for dementia. In this study, researchers measured the magnesium levels of 9,500 seniors who did not have dementia and followed them for 8 years. At the end of the study period, the research team found that the participants classified as having either high or low magnesium levels had a 30% increased dementia risk compared to those with mid-range magnesium levels. First author Dr. Brenda Kaiboom concludes, "Since the current treatment and prevention options for dementia are limited, we urgently need to identify new risk factors for dementia that could potentially be adjusted. If people could reduce their risk for dementia through diet or supplements, that could be very beneficial." In exercise news, being active saves lives. A review of data concerning more than 130,000 people from 17 countries found that people who exercise at least 150 minutes each week reduced the risk for early death from any cause by 28%. In chiropractic news, surgeons often suffer from musculoskeletal problems. Among a group of 129 surgeons, 90% reported that they suffer from one or more musculoskeletal disorder. The most effective anatomical regions were the lower back at 54%, neck at 51%, upper back at 44%, lower extremities at 42%, right shoulder at 29%, and right hand at 28%. In wellness news, higher cigarette taxes equal fewer infant deaths. Researchers tracked data on cigarette prices and infant deaths in 24 European countries between 2004 and 2014 and found that the infant death rate fell from 4.4 to 3.5 per 1,000 live births during that time frame. Although cause and effect can't be confirmed, the researchers noted that during this period of time, cigarette prices steadily increased across Europe. The findings suggest that implementing tobacco tax and price control measures that help reduce cigarette use may reduce infant mortality. Today's quote from John Buchanan: "The task of leadership is not to put greatness into humanity, but to elicit it, for the greatness is already there." For more information on back pain, neck pain, headaches, carpal tunnel syndrome, joint pain, and whiplash, go to www.drlaurareganblog.com. This has been your Daily Health Minute. I'm Dr. Laura Regan. Thanks for making today a great day.